Hello everyone, how are you? It's Michael here with the World of Michael Trent. Today I want to share with you another mini album that I made using my Double Facing Waterfall tutorial, which once posted to YouTube. There will be a link below, so check back for that. Someone in the United States asked me to make them an album for their dad. I have such issues, I don't know why, with making masculine themed cards or albums or whatever. And I kind of put this off to the last minute because I don't know why. I just had this blockage. But I ended up making what I think is an amazing album. I had so much fun making this album, and I think it came together really, really well. I did speak to the person first to find out what their dad liked, ask some questions, and his dad liked golf, and I think baseball and football, and tools. Every dad's different. My dad used to love fishing, so I found this album is a mixture of actual papers and digital papers. I found a seller on Etsy. It's called the House of Mockery. I will leave a link below. They have the best. I looked for a golf collection. They have papers. It's basically photographs, but you use it as papers. They had one for golf, they had one for baseball, they had one for football. I'll show you inside the album, but I love this. So this is using my Double Facing Waterfall album. The album measures about 8 1/4 by 6 by 2 inches, and I made the box for it also. So I'm going to start with this is the cover. This is one of the digital papers from the House of Mockery. I think the collection was called Textures. I'll link it below. I just love this very masculine, textured. I love photographs like this. And then the side, this is some paper I had in my stash from a travel kit from a long time ago. Opening this up, on this side we have a little pocket. This is using the papers these are physical papers. Inside is a little photo mat for 2 photos. And then here, this is another one of the designs that came with this. So this looks like nut heads, I think, or could be chisels, with a photo on this side. This is the stitching on a baseball. So this is a really close up of a baseball. I thought this was so cool. And I left this blank. He can write here something. He could put a photo here if he wants, no big deal. Opening this up, I have a little pocket here, and I did a little booklet. And this is, again, the golf set from House of Mockery. I thought that was so cool. That's such a cool way. This would make such a great card front for an avid golfer. Inside are 2 photos, and then on the back is another tool paper. So that fits in here. All the photos in this book are, again, 4 by 6 with a couple of photos that are 4 by 5 1/4. So flipping over, we have, again, the Double Facing Waterfall here. And this is the football paper, the 50-yard line. And this is just so this is a 4 by 6, this is a 4 by 5 1/4. I mean, most 4 by 6 photos, you can trim a little bit down. And I had to do it that way because I didn't want, if I did this as a 4 by 6, the bottom of the photo would be sticking out here, and I didn't like the way that looked. So you have your photos here. And this is 2 4 by 6s here. And then I did a little page in between the 2 waterfalls. And once these are removed and the actual photos are adhered down, none of this paper folding will happen. And then on this side, he also loved beer, so I found a paper with I think it was a barbecue set. I think it's from the barbecue set. So it had beer and barbecue. I'll show you the barbecue in a second, but another one of the collections from House of Mockery. And then here, this is just photos. We have another pull-out here for 2 4x6 photos. And there's room in these pockets here for additional photos if he wants to put any in. And then flipping it over, here's another one of the images from the golf. This is the golf tees. And on the last page here, we have, this is the barbecue that came, I think, in the same set as the beer. And then again, you open this up and there is space for 2 photos. And again, there's plenty of room in here for additional photos or ticket stubs or anything. So I ended up really surprising myself with this album. I just love it. I wish my dad was still around so I can make one for him. But if you guys want an album made, I can ship anywhere in the world. Okay, just keep that in mind. And then of course we have the back, and then the box. I used the same paper from the book cover on the box cover, and the side is the same paper from the side of the book. And inside I just used some of the writing paper that I had, a basic piece of black cardstock, and then I had this masculine paper from a travel edition. And this is actually like those wooden planks on the side of a house that I just trimmed down and used as for the border. So this is another one of the books I made. I hope you love this book as much as I did. Please leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think of it. Subscribe to my page. Hit that bell so you're notified the next time I post a video. And tell your friends. Anyway, you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will be back soon with another video. Take care, everyone. Thank you.